Dental crowns are a common dental procedure used to restore a damaged or weakened tooth. It is important for patients to understand the science behind dental crown placement in order to ensure the longevity and functionality of their restored tooth. In this video, we will cover the process of dental crown placement, the materials used, and the factors that affect the longevity and functionality of dental crowns. The process of dental crown placement. Dental crown placement typically involves multiple steps and appointments with your dentist. The first step is to prepare the tooth by removing any decay or damage and shaping it to fit the crown. This may involve numbing the area with local anesthesia to ensure your comfort during the procedure. Once the tooth is prepared, impressions are taken to create a custom crown that matches the size, shape, and color of your natural teeth. These impressions are sent to a dental laboratory where the crown is fabricated. In the meantime, a temporary crown may be placed to protect the prepared tooth. During the final appointment, the temporary crown is removed and the custom crown is cemented into place. Your dentist will ensure that the crown fits properly and that your bite is not affected by the restoration. You may be instructed to avoid eating certain foods or using the restored tooth for a few hours after the procedure to allow the cement to fully cure. The materials used in dental crowns. Dental crowns can be made from a variety of materials, each with its own advantages and disadvantages. Some common materials include metal crowns. These crowns are made from metals such as gold, platinum, or palladium. They are extremely durable and can withstand heavy biting forces. However, they are not as aesthetically pleasing as tooth-colored crowns. Porcelain fused to metal crowns. These crowns have a metal base with a porcelain layer on top to provide a natural appearance. They are strong and can be color matched to your natural teeth. However, they may be prone to chipping or cracking over time. All ceramic crowns. These crowns are made from high-strength ceramics that closely mimic the appearance of natural teeth. They are a popular choice for front teeth due to their aesthetic appeal. However, they may be less durable than metal crowns. Zirconia crowns. These crowns are made from a type of ceramic called zirconia, which is known for its strength and durability. Zirconia crowns are a good option for molars or teeth that undergo heavy chewing forces. They are also highly biocompatible, making them suitable for patients with metal allergies. Factors affecting the longevity and functionality of dental crowns. Several factors can affect the longevity and functionality of dental crowns, including proper oral hygiene. It is important to maintain a good oral hygiene routine to prevent decay and gum disease around the crown. Brushing twice a day, flossing regularly, and using an antimicrobial mouthwash can help protect the crown and underlying tooth structure. Regular dental checkups. Your dentist will monitor the condition of your crown during routine dental visits and address any issues promptly. Early detection of problems such as cracks, decay, or loose crowns can prevent more extensive treatment in the future. Avoiding hard foods. Chewing on hard foods or objects like ice, nuts, or pen caps can damage the crown and underlying tooth structure. It is important to avoid these habits to prevent fractures or dislodgement of the crown. Protection against grinding. Teeth grinding or clenching, also known as bruxism, can put excessive force on the crown and lead to premature wear or damage. Your dentist may recommend a night guard to protect your teeth while you sleep. Lifestyle factors. Smoking, excessive alcohol consumption, and poor dietary choices can impact the longevity of dental crowns. These habits can increase the risk of gum disease, decay, or other oral health issues that may compromise the crown. Understanding the science behind dental crown placement is essential for ensuring the longevity and functionality of your restored tooth. By following proper oral hygiene practices, attending regular dental checkups, and avoiding habits that can damage the crown, you can enjoy a durable and aesthetically pleasing restoration for years to come. Talk to your dentist for more information about dental crowns and how they can benefit your oral health.